Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Morika English Academy. Myself Kukishmita, and today on 17th of June I am going to start mathematics for class 4. So we have finished our lesson 1 and today we will start lesson 2, which is addition and subtraction. Okay, so to do addition and subtraction you should know the addition table and multiplication table properly. Okay, hope you all know these tables. Okay, so see my practice time 1, which is in the page number 22 and 23. See question number 1, add the following. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Up to 10,000 place numbers are given. Okay, and you have to add these numbers. Okay, so all of you know addition, how to do addition. So question number 1 and 2 is your homework. Okay, remember question number 1 and 2 from my practice time 1 is your homework. Now see question number 3, solve the following. So here the question is given in rows, so first we have to write in columns. Okay, so I will do one from question number 3. Question number 3A is 3651 plus 48,300 plus 9,36,815. Okay, so we have to add this. So first we will write the numbers in column. Okay, so which one is the bigger number? 9,36,815. So we will write this one at first. 9,36,815. Okay, then 48,300. Okay, so always write the numbers from ones place. Okay, okay, to do addition we have to write the numbers from right side. Okay, means from ones place. Then 3,651. Okay, so we wrote these numbers in column. Now we have to add these numbers. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 is there, no value for 0. That means 5 plus 0 plus 1 is 6. Then 1 plus 0 plus 6. Sorry, 0 plus 5. It is also 6. Then 8 plus 3 plus 6. So 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So from 17 we will write 7 and 1 is left. Okay. Then 6 plus 8 plus 5. 6 plus 8 is 14 and 14 plus 5 is 19. Okay, so it is 19 and that 1 left, no? So 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 is 0 we will write and 2 left. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 9 will comes down. That means the answer is 9,90,766. Okay, so B, C, D, E, F all are same as A, so it is your homework. Okay, so remember from my practice time 1, question number 1 and 2 and 3 is your homework. Okay, so do all the homework and send it to WhatsApp group. Then my practice time 2. In my practice time 2, see question number 1, fill in the blanks. So A is 25,817 and plus 12,352. It is in left hand side. In right hand side, one blank are there. You have to fill the box. Then plus 25,817. That means here we have to see that in left hand side and in right hand side the numbers have to be equal. Okay, so in left hand side 25,817 and in right hand side also 25,817 is there, but 12,352 is only in the right hand side. So in left hand side box we have to write 12,352. Okay, B number is 7,52,810 plus 1. So 810 plus 1 is 811. That means answer will be, in box you have to write 7,52,811. Then 0 plus dash equal 1,28,111. Okay. So any number we will add with 0, then the answer will be that number. That means answer we need 1,28,111. So we have to add 1,28,111 with 0. Okay. So in box we will write 1,28,111. Okay, D, E, F, Z also like that. And 2 number is also add the following using the grouping property. So question number 1 from my practice time 2, it is your homework. Okay. Then question number 2. Question number 2A is 17,068 plus 4,321 plus 59,632. Okay, question is add the following using the grouping property. Okay, so grouping property is 3 numbers added in any order give the same answer. Okay. So we have to use grouping property. So first we will write in rows. Okay, 17,068 plus 4,321 plus 59,632. Grouping property means we have to add 2 number at first. At first we will add any 2 number. Okay, and we will group these 2 numbers. Let's first we will group first one and second one. Okay, so we are giving bracket. Okay, so first we will add 17,068 and 4,321. So answer is 17,068 plus 4,321 is 21,389. Okay. Then we have to add 59,632 with that number. So now we will add 21,389 and 59,632. So answer is 81,021. Okay. So we are grouping any 2 number and first we will add the group numbers. Okay. That means we are giving bracket and the bracket things we will do at first. That's why we are adding the numbers which are in the bracket. Okay. Then with that answer we are adding the third number. Okay. So it is the grouping property. So from B up to F is your homework. Okay. So all of you do all your homework and send it to in your WhatsApp group. Okay. So in next class we will discuss my practice time 3. Okay. Thank you for today.